People pulling up to a neighbor's house and honking their horns ridiculously. My name is Sean Morrison. Yes, I did a video on this a year and a half ago. Year and a half later, the same fucking nonsense. Pulling up to their friend's house so they can come out, so we can come outside. She can come outside, and all you hear is beep, 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 beep. Every other minute, every other second later, beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Fucking annoying. Ever hear of picking up your fucking cell phone and dialing their phone and telling them, I am outside your fucking house? Because what happens is, sometimes he don't come outside. And this could be any time of the day, morning, night, 2 o'clock in the fucking morning. I've heard this at 4 a.m. Beep, 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 beep. It's like you want to go get a baseball bat and crack it over this person's head for honking their horn and waking you the fuck up. No respect for the neighbors. That's simple. Just take the horn and shove it where the sun does not shine. Because these assholes simply have no respect. Shame, shame, shame.